Hello friends and colleagues. As the NAB Show 2026 draws closer, briefly keeps pace, bringing you the latest updates on what exhibitors plan to showcase at the event.
Aximmetry Technologies will host live green screen demonstrations at the NAB Show. Visitors will see Aximmetry Instant and Aximmetry Wizard in action, two solutions built around a single idea. Virtual production should not require a steep learning curve. Aximmetry Wizard is a guided setup solution that acts like a virtual technician. It helps users find the best template for their project, walks them through only the essential settings, and eliminates setup confusion, allowing creators to focus on storytelling and creativity rather than technical details. The NAB demo will show Wizard in a live green screen environment, guiding visitors through a complete virtual production setup in real time. Aximmetry Instant is designed for simplicity and speed, offering a glimpse into the future of virtual production, mostly aimed at the corporate and institutional markets. Perfect for podcasts, live streams, and quick productions, Aximmetry Instant demonstrates the company's ongoing efforts to make virtual production tools accessible to everyone. Aximmetry will also introduce Model Context Protocol, MCP, a framework for structured, secure AI-assisted control of production workflows.
CueScript will showcase its prompting platform, enhanced with 3 innovations that elevate flexibility, reliability, and control. The CuePad app adds flexibility and portable teleprompting to iPads and iPhones. Powered by QTalk connectivity, CuePad incorporates the same rendering technology used in CueScript V2 monitors. The next-generation QET software redefines the modern teleprompting and scriptwriting experience with a powerful, next-generation text editor built for precision, speed, and control. Meanwhile, CueScript's above-hood talent monitor mount provides a simple and secure way to add a second talent monitor directly above the prompter hood.
Fabric will demonstrate a major expansion of its media technology platform, introducing new innovations across its Origin and Zytek product families, including Origin Studio, the next generation of the company's title management solution, Origin Insights, a data-as-a-service offering, and Zytek X2, Zytek's operations scheduling platform reimagined with a modern UI. Together, these releases form the backbone that can power an AI-driven supply chain for media and entertainment.
GALSNGEAR will host a series of meetups, panel discussions, and networking events during the 2026 NAB Show. The organization's programming is designed to provide women and allies in media, entertainment, and technology with opportunities to connect with peers, engage with industry leaders, and navigate the show's conference sessions and exhibit floor. Scheduled events include live podcast recordings and daily meetups at the B&H booth C8516 throughout the event from 11 a.m. until noon. Birds of a Feather meetup within the Post-Production World program on April 20th at 5:15 p.m. and a Tech Talk and Happy Hour at the VideoNext Theater in the West Hall on April 21st from 4:30 to 5 p.m., featuring the Future Frames, where audience, agility, artistry, and AI converge panel discussion, followed by a networking reception sponsored by Dell, NVIDIA, and PSSI Global Services. More details are available on the website displayed on your screen.
Now it's time to move on to other industry updates. NiSi Optics USA has introduced the NiSi Lens Hood Kit for the Ricoh GR4, replacing the standard ring with a purpose-built 49mm filter adapter, magnetic square lens hood, and magnetic lens caps. Designed specifically for the Ricoh GR4, the included 49mm adapter ring, square lens hood, and lens cap work together as a refined integrated setup. The magnetic hood and lens cap snap on and off in seconds, while the built-in auto-lock mechanism keeps the 49mm adapter ring securely in place. The included 49mm filter adapter enables the use of standard 49mm filters including ND, HDF, UV, and creative effects. The metal square lens hood gives the Ricoh GR4 a bold, polished look while helping reduce flare and stray light. Paired with a durable metal square lens cap, the kit also helps protect the front element from dust, scratches, and everyday bumps.
DFT has announced that 3 Polar HQ scanners have been fully integrated into the Federal Archives digitization workflow in Germany. In addition to Polar HQ, 3 Scanity HDR systems are in operation at the Federal Archives, enabling film digitization at exceptional quality and high throughput. All 6 scanners feature the latest dry gate and wet gate technology, offering versatility for digitizing archival films in varying conditions and supporting a wide range of preservation and restoration workflows. The deployment of 3 Polar HQ systems in conjunction with 3 Scanity HDR systems significantly expands the Federal Archive's scanning infrastructure, enhancing digitization and preservation capabilities and laying the groundwork for achieving the Federal Archive's goal of digitally preserving Germany's film heritage.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.